Hi everyone, this is Kanu the Tarologer. Welcome back to my channel. This pick a card reading is a quick guidance from your angels and guides. The readings are to the point and gives you the exact guidance that you need right now. So if you have any question or there's something going on in your mind, then you can think about it and then you can choose your pile. And if you don't have anything specific to ask for, even then also you will get the guidance that you need right now from the angels and guides. So go ahead and choose your pile. So that's pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3, pile number 4, pile number 5 and pile number 6. Take your time, you can pause the video. There is a meditation right after this intro which will help you to choose your pile. And it is also linked in the description box. You need to go with your intuition and choose the pile that draws your attention the most. Timestamps are given below in the description box that is linked to your specific reading. Once you choose your pile, you can skip ahead to the timestamp where your readings begin. Also, I want to tell you that these are general readings, so there will be multiple messages for all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. These messages are for your guidance and they are meant to heal you. You are not bound by these readings. I also want to tell you that these are timeless readings. So doesn't matter whenever you are watching this, the readings are meant for you exactly for that time whenever you come across this video. And now I'm going to give you some time to meditate on the cards. So let's begin with the meditation and thereafter I'll begin with pile number 1. Pile number 1. So we have Two of Wands and Dear Spirit reversed, which says bring a gentle touch. So with Two of Wands, I feel maybe you are confused with having more than one option in your life. You are weighing your options carefully and it has been a while since you are in that state. You are stuck with those options. So your guides are telling you that whatever you will choose will work for you. Life is a clean slate for you at this point of time. You can write anything you want. Whatever you choose will work out. Things will move. There will be endless possibilities, whatever you are going to choose, or if you have already chosen and you don't know whether this will work out for you or not. So your guides wants you to know that it will. You have chosen the right option. And Dear Spirit is telling you that maintain your integrity. Don't argue with people around you. This is the time when you need to be gentle with others. Don't take things personally. Avoid getting into any kind of arguments or fights with anyone. Also, you need to stand your ground with grace. Be gentle with others, but don't allow others to decide for yourself or put you into uncomfortable situation. I know it's easier said than done, but there's always a way. You can obviously put across your point, but do it in such a way that it doesn't offend others. You can do it without being rude to others. You need to deal with others in a more diplomatic manner. If possible, then try to compromise with others. So that was the quick guidance from your guides and angels. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello, pile number 2. So we have Four of Wands and Bad Spirit, which says a rebirth is assured. So Four of Wands indicates that you are waiting for some kind of celebration or a news about marriage or buying a new house or achieving success in your career, or maybe you are waiting for some kind of good news. It could be about relationships, reunion of relationships, or you just want to start something new. And your guides are telling you that don't live in the future, live in this moment, enjoy this moment, enjoy what you have already got at present. Success is coming, celebration is coming, everything that you desire is coming. So be happy at this moment, because you do attract more of those feelings in which you are currently in. So if you are happy, you attract more of those reasons to be in a state of happiness. And if you are sad, you attract more of those reasons to be in the state of sadness. Similarly, if you are anxious, you attract more of those reasons to be in the state of anxiousness. And Bad Spirit indicates those new beginnings that you are waiting for, and it will happen in the most miraculous ways. Like it will happen when you will least expect it. If you are going through a period of darkness where you don't know what is going to happen, trust that all is happening for your good, and the one that is right for you will be revealed to you. Your guides and angels are working for you from behind the scenes. You have to have faith on them. They are guiding you through your intuition. So listen to it, and if something has left you or will leave you, then it has happened or will happen because something more meaningful and amazing things are waiting for you in the future. They will be revealed to you very soon. So have faith, don't lose hope. Everything is going according to the plan in the spiritual world, in the other side of the world. You will get what is right for you. So that was the quick guidance from your guides and angels. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello, pile number 3. So we have Nine of Wands and Frog Spirit reversed, which says clear out the clutter. So here you can see the witch is wounded. She has fought so many battles in her life, and this card also indicates that you are putting your energies into something or someone where it is not required. You are in this not giving up mode. You are almost draining your energies by doing so, and your guides are telling you that choose your battles wisely. Don't give attention or weightage to those unnecessary battles. Sometimes not all the battles have to be won. It's better to let that pass. Only choose to react or act in those things where it is really required for you to do so. Otherwise, refrain yourself. And frog spirit reversed is actually telling you that release those unwanted thoughts out of your mind. Declutter your mind, let others do what they are doing. You don't have to ruin your peace of mind because of them. Try and meditate whenever your mind gets filled up with negativity. Meditation also helps in clearing out the negative thoughts that appears in your mind because of the people around you. And when they try to dump their emotional baggage upon you, the best reaction or action is to avoid them at that time. That's the best thing you can do at that time. And there could be people around you who makes you feel weak, who tries to obstruct your path, either directly or indirectly. So shut those voices around you. Don't let them come in. And when you will shut those unwanted and unsupportive voices, you will be able to listen to your inner voice. Also, declutter the space around you. Let go of the things that reminds you of your past, that are connected with your past. Let go of the things that only reminds you of those memories that makes you feel weak. And instead keep those things around you that makes you feel more excited, happy and contented. Clear the clutter around you. Make some space for positive energies to come in. So that was the quick guidance from your guides and angels. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello, pile number 4. So we have the Emperor and Moth Spirit, which says surrender now. So the Emperor card indicates that maybe you are trying to control certain outcomes or certain situations in your life where you expect that that's the way things are done, or that's how things are supposed to be, or that's how the outcome should be. But your guides are telling you that take it easy. You don't have to control each and everything in your life. This also applies to the people in your life. You don't need to control anyone as well. And actually, you cannot really control anyone or change them as per your wishes. The Emperor could also represent a person in your life, most probably a strong masculine personality in your life. So you might be in a power struggle kind of situation with this person, and maybe they are trying to control you or change you as per their own will. And if they are dependable, then it's fine. But if they are not, then don't allow them to do so. Gather your own strength and stand up for yourself in order to be yourself. And Moth Spirit is telling you to surrender. You don't have to control each and everything in your life. Don't get obsessed with certainty or workaholism or perfectionism. Your guides are telling you that you need to be more acceptable in your life. You don't have to go over the edge every time. Let go of the must and should and enjoy the life as it is given to you. You need to be more flexible. Maybe you are so addicted towards your responsibilities, towards fulfilling your responsibilities, that you are taking it as a compulsion in your life. And while doing so, you don't have time for yourself. So you need to slow down a little bit now and take care of yourself as well. Maybe you are in need of something so desperately in your life. It could be a relationship, it could be a career opportunity, it could be any of your goals. So your guides and angels are telling you that Don't be stubborn towards achieving your goals. Stop being so desperate about it because you are not releasing your intentions out into the universe. You are constantly focusing on it, and because of that, they are not able to manifest it in your life. You have to let go of your intentions. Don't keep checking whether your intentions are getting manifested or not. Your guides are telling you that put your energies into other things as well. Distract yourself, and when you do so, you would be able to manifest it into your reality even faster. So that was the quick guidance from your guides and angels. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello, pile number 5. So we have Page of Cups and Pig Spirit, which says use your mind wisely. So pages are impromptu and gets carried away easily. Cups also represents your emotions. Page of Cups could represent either you, your state of mind, or it could represent a younger person in your life. So your guides are telling you to be patient with yourself or be patient with this younger person in your life. Because we have Pig Spirit that's telling you to use your mind wisely. So be patient, don't jump onto conclusions. You need to figure out everything before you take any step further. Sometimes we think that we all know about this and we don't need much guidance. So your guides are telling you that you still need to learn more. And pages are students, they are learners. They indicates that you are at a learning stage or you need to learn more about this decision or this situation. Maybe you keep on changing your decisions, or maybe your thoughts are scattered all over the place. And there comes the role of your intuition and your intellect. Your angels and guides wants you to listen to your intuition, but act according to your intellect as well. Don't blindly follow your intuition, nor just follow your mind. Instead, use both. If any of you are doing the same thing with the same approach or a method, then you need to change the course of action. Look for a new direction. Pages also indicates learning new skills. So if any of you are starting something new, then you need to learn more about that subject. You need to gain more knowledge about it. And if any of you are resisting to take off creativity as your career path, then your guides are telling you to go towards that direction, but don't do it without planning your things. You need to learn more and you need to plan the things wisely. Don't just jump onto this new and creative venture. Plan out everything first. And don't worry, it's not a no from your guides and angels, but just to be on a safer side, you need to plan the things carefully so that nothing goes wrong, so that your decisions doesn't go wrong. So that was the quick guidance from your guides and angels. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello, pile number 6. So we have 3 of Wands and Dragonfly Spirit reversed, which says truth transcends illusion. So with 3 of Wands, I feel you are so close to the finishing line. You are almost there. So, whatever you are doing, don't give up now. You have already worked so hard on it, and you will soon see the results of your hard work. In this card, the wind is blowing from the opposite direction. So, there could be opposing forces around you that are trying to knock you down or obstructing your path. It could be the people, it could be the circumstances, but your guides are telling you that you don't have to give up. You have to move on. You have to stand strong. For some of you all, I feel that maybe you are too focused on a particular goal that you are not able to see other things, other opportunities which are right in front of you. You also need to look at the bigger picture. You need to decide for yourself from the long term perspective. But while doing so, don't forget to live in the present moment. And Dragonfly Spirit is telling you that don't fall into the trap of illusions. Try to live in the present moment. Take the advantage of what you have got right now. Don't miss out something really important that is right in front of you in the process of wanting and focusing on something else. Your angels are telling you that you will get that as well. But what you have got right now, that is also very, very important. So don't overlook that. Don't miss out those opportunities. You are on the right track no matter what you feel right now. And there could be chaos going on inside you. So connect with the divine, connect with the source power, and your guides and angels are always there with you. Allow them to guide you. You need to trust them. You can ask them to give you anything and they will grant your wishes, but you need to have full faith on them. Give power to your thoughts while praying to them. This amplifies the energies that you are sending out into the universe, and ultimately, you get what you want quickly and effortlessly. So, that was the quick guidance from your guides and angels. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.